saw the reason why I'm naked here. So they won't sting you when you are naked. Yes. Adiel, where you look? So during daytime even I can come here and harvest.
Yeah. And they don't bite you?
They don't, they cannot. So this one got all their low. So maybe you can come and take a pic. Full of bees, you can come and take a pic here.
Yeah, let me come. Let me first take you when you're looking there. Yeah?
Before entering into beekeeping, so there is one friend of mine here, is a neighbor. He was keeping bees when we were still young. So I used to go and visit him. I found him making some local beehives. So one time I went to visit him, I found him has already harvested honey. So I requested for honey. What he did, he entered into the house, picked a small cup containing honey. So that man gave me honey. So I requested for a sample to take home. The man commanded me that I must consume, and then after I leave the honey, I go. No taking. Next season, the man came to requested me to go and help him in harvesting. We went there in the field. We harvested. I remember I came back home at around 1 a.m. So they have to cane me. Next morning, the man realized that at home they have caned me. He came with a plate of honey, and it was of poor quality mixed with the pollen and some. Okay, the grade was not all that good. So I told my dad that, do you know what? Give me a small portion. Also, I start beekeeping. So the father was like, no, you know, the beehives are going to sting my animals and they end up dying. I went ahead to that man's house. I have to pick one beehive. I picked one, but I used my tactics of picking it. He did not give it to me. So I went and had to hide it somewhere. So the bees got entered in. So after a season, I went late to harvest. So I got some little honey. Then we all shared here as a family. So even the dad tasted the honey, the mom, the brothers and sisters. So they gave me the authority to buy. And buying those beehives, we bought those beehives from that very man, the neighbor here. So the father is the one who gave me the starting capital, gave me 20,000, and the empty beehive was 5,000. I bought two. So I took them into an apiary place. It is a quiet place there behind. We shall go and see, and you have a look at it. So I kept on increasing. After selling, I buy one beehive. After selling, I buy one. Out of that money, buy. So the beehives kept on accumulating.